Hello everyone, today I'm making loofah flowers spring rolls. It looks beautiful and it's delicious. Welcome to SaigoncookTravel. I am Saigon Cook. Please come to the kitchen with me. We do it together. So the stuffing will be pork and shrimp. So I cook my pork and shrimp in stock. You can see the bones still there and all the vegetables like onions, green onions, shallots. It's very fast to cook shrimp and pork. So children cooking the scums rise up, so I remove them for a clear look. Whenever the shrimp are curving, that means they are cooked. They are orange, or you can cook 2-3 minutes each side. For the pork, about 10 minutes. And I use those stock to cook my noodle as well. And now I prepare the vegetables. I have all kinds of vegetables. It's a good thing about we are gardeners. I'm so happy that I can grow many herbs, and the bean sprout there, you can see I sprouted myself from mung beans. And in my hands now is spearmint. I have spearmint, sweet mint. This is fish mint. I love this smell. All my herbs, vegetables smell so good. It's a good thing about we growing ourselves. They are so organic and fragrant. That was culantro. And this is perilla leaves. This is green one. There are another kind is the purple one, or big one called red one. And this is the Vietnamese coriander. This herb, normally I use it with the steamed chicken. It is so good. Again, this is sweet mint. I only use the leaves of them because the branches are tough. So you continue watching. I doing my cucumbers and morning glory now. I'd like to take opportunity to say thank you for stopping by watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please like, share my videos, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. You are the reason I'm here. I like cooking, baking, home improvement, everything in between. And I know anything I will share it with you. Thank you for supporting me. For the cucumber, I just slice them thinly, and that's done with my vegetables. Now the time for dipping sauce. I have a full video dedicated for dipping sauce. I put the link in the description box below so that you can get on it if you want to do this full version. This is what I do now. What I'm doing now is a short version of it. My family is famous with this dipping sauce. This is very Asian Vietnamese dipping sauce, including fish sauce. If you don't want fish sauce, you can switch to soy sauce or a pan sauce, or the sauce for the special sauce for the Vietnamese spring rolls, fresh spring rolls. That is including oyster sauce and hoisin sauce. Now, to be the shortcut, I put on my garlics in the bag and I pound them so that they don't fly everywhere. I think this is a tidbit from me to you. Now I use the chili. It depends on your level of spiciness. You can use, I use here 3 Thai chili, and 1 Anaheim pepper. The Anaheim pepper is not so spicy, but I remove the seeds. I like to get seedless, and only the speck of the red peppers show through my dipping sauce. So that's it. I mince them now, and I will pound my combination there in the mortar, and I use mortar and pestle to do this. And after I pound into the base, I will add water and lime juice. I like the smell of lime juice, of the real fresh lime. If you can't find lime, you can use lemon instead, but it will not the same taste. So before I pound, I add sugar. The sugar will make it into a paste. You can see there the result. I pound very, very finely. It's best if you have a stone mortar and pestle, but I have the stainless steel. It's just fine, and it's easy to clean. So I clean up my pestle with the water, and I add lime into it. With this amount, I use 1 lime. Now I slice the meat into slices, thin slices, and I will remove the devein the shrimp. Before you cook your shrimp, you can remove the vein running along the shrimp. You can watch my other videos where the shrimp is. I show you very carefully and in detail how to remove them and how to devein shrimps. Now it's rolling time. This is my rice paper I bought in Asian market, and I use a shallow white dish to dip the rice paper in. It just needs a few seconds to be pliable. So I place them on the cutting board and start choosing the veggies. You can do all together on a few. And remember, I remove the noodle and let it strain. And now the noodle ready go inside. So this is very versatile. You can use all vegetables at the same time, or you just use a few. It's up to you. And you can use on pork, on shrimps, or pork and shrimp mixing. It's up to the demand of the people in your family or your guests. You can see that I place the flour at the end, so that when I roll out, the color and the flour pick through and prominent there. Now this side, for this rolls, I use a lot of herbs. It's very, very healthy dish. Whenever I want to go less on meat and more on veggie, that is where I do the spring rolls. It's kind of healthy. You can see now that I use the other roll to measure, so that I do this roll the same length, the same size with the other. This healthy food, and it packs all the flavors. This is the best thing, that when you get on diet, you still can eat these delicious good things. That's it. Yummy. So this is my sauce. After you do this, please subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.